up guys, it's Hayden Bradley. I just made it to Bali and I'm about to jump off this 130-meter rope swing. Woo!
Yo,
let's send it.
Set, go!
Oh my God. Let's go! Oh my God! Yo, this is so sick. You know, it'd be really cool if you did a bullet time and then we just did like a montage of going through the rice fields.
Let's do it.
All right. Bro, this looks so sick, dude.
Perfect, man.
I think you gotta send it.
Let's get some.
Woo! Got ourselves a little floating breakfast this morning. So we're gonna do a little continuous shot. I got Ann in the surrounded glass room right now. I got an extended selfie stick right here. I'm going to do a continuous shot and sleeping. She's gonna wake up in the morning. I'm gonna fly her out, fly her all the way to the pool. We're gonna walk out to her floating breakfast. So let's do it. We just made it to Mana Bay. Took a little boat ride out here, and we're gonna hop in with the X5. We just spotted some manta rays in the water, and go get some cool shots of them.
I know. Let's go.
Let's get it.
Let's do this.
Woo! Well guys, it's been an epic week here in Bali. I saw a little bit of everything that I could. Not enough time to experience everything. There's a lot more things, so I will be back very soon. Yeah, I love it here. It's amazing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. Peace.